Picture this. You have just launched your startup, or maybe you are running a lean operation. You need help, someone to manage emails, handle support, generate reports, and follow up with leads. But hiring is expensive, onboarding takes time, and the learning curve steep. Now imagine instead that you spin up an AI agent. No salary, no training, it works 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Doesn't complain, doesn't forget, doesn't stop. And here is the twist. It doesn't cost a dime to get started. This is no longer science fiction. Thanks to OpenAI's evolving capabilities, from persistent memory to tool usage and agent building APIs, autonomous AI agents are shifting rapidly from research preview to practical reality. They are here and they are real. With OpenAI providing the foundation and a rapidly growing ecosystem of agent frameworks building on top, businesses can now deploy AI teammates that perform actual work in controlled environments. And the best part, you don't need a data science team or millions in funding. The age of AI employees has quietly begun, and this is how you hire one for free. For years, the rhythm of business has remained unchanged. Hire a person, train them, assign repetitive tasks, track their output, pay a salary, repeat. And while automation has made some processes faster, most day-to-day digital work still relies on human performing tasks such as sifting through emails, copying and pasting between tools, responding to customer requests, and updating spreadsheets and CRMs. It is tedious, time-consuming, and increasingly unnecessary. Because now, with the rise of autonomous AI agents enabled by OpenAI's new SDKs and APIs, businesses can now offload those digital chores to a system that doesn't just execute commands, but understands purpose. These AI agents act like junior employees, capable of interpreting instructions, adapting to context, and using digital tools just like a real person would. And the best part, they are not limited to tech giants, from solo entrepreneurs to small teams. These agents are accessible to anyone with internet connection and a little curiosity. This isn't about replacing humans. It is about removing the work that humans never enjoyed doing in the first place. You might be wondering, how is an AI agent different from ChatGPT or a voice assistant like Siri? It comes down to autonomy. The chatbot waits for your instructions, you give it input, it gives you output. But an AI agent, it doesn't wait. It thinks, plans, decides. It can take a goal like follow up with all leads from last week and break it into steps, logs into your CRM, filters relevant leads, composes tailored emails, sends them, updates the database, all without you lifting a finger. And if something goes wrong, it adjusts. These agents are powered by large language models like GPT-4, combined with real-time context, memory, and tool access. Thanks to OpenAI's function calling, threaded memory, and agent SDK, they can remember what they did last time, access company knowledge dynamically, and trigger functions like sending an email, booking a meeting, or pairing a CRM. It is like giving GPT a brain, a calendar, and a keyboard. The result, a system that doesn't just answer questions, it gets things done. And while OpenAI's tools are still in preview, they are already robust enough for real-world, low-stake automation. 3. How is that even possible? Think back to the early 2000s. Google offered free email, AWS gave away compute credits, Slack built momentum with premium models. This is the same strategy. Agent frameworks built on top of OpenAI, like LangGraph, Zapier AI, Cognosys, and Rework, are racing for adoption. They want startups, creators, and enterprises to build their first agents now, because once you are in, you are likely to stay. The real cost lies in the compute, but thanks to OpenAI's efficiency improvements and flexible pricing tiers, Basic agent behavior can run at almost no cost for small workloads or testing phases. Many platforms offer free usage tiers, open source SDKs, or pay-per-call pricing that is dramatically lower than hiring human labor. This isn't generosity, it is a strategic disruption. The idea is simple. Make automation accessible, lower the barrier, let people experiment, and when they see results, they scale. The freemium model becomes the foundation of a synthetic labor economy powered by OpenAI. Under the hood, still skeptical? Let us look at what is already happening in the wild. A solo founder uses an AI agent to manage 200 customer emails per day. It classifies them, drafts replies, collates only the complex ones. A small B2B startup, the agent research leads, writes cold emails, logs activity into Salesforce, and auto-schedules follow-ups. A marketing team, the agent scrubs computer data weekly, summarizes trends, builds PowerPoint slides for stakeholder review. And these aren't outliers. This is the beginning of agent operation as a discipline. Some companies even give their agents names, Slack logins, and roles, just like human teammates. Today, agents assist. Tomorrow, they will own domains, inboxes, outreach, reporting. They are not toys. They are workforce multipliers. Alright, let us get tactical. You want to hire your first AI employee. Here is how. Step 1. Pick your agent platform. Technical. Try LangGraph or CrewAI. No code. Use Rework, Cognosys, or Zapier AI. Step 2. Define its job clearly. Example. Triage incoming emails. Respond with templates. Escalate priority items. Step 3. Feed it context. Upload docs. Link databases. Provide examples. Step 4. Connect tools. Integrate email, CRMs, calendars. Step 5. Test, fine-tune, launch. And just like that, your AI teammate is live. We are entering a transitional era, an era where human work isn't replaced. It is refocused. Repetitive tasks gone. Creative thinking and agent supervision. That is the frontier. You will see roles like agent operations manager, prompt strategist, synthetic workflow engineer. These aren't science fiction. They are already emerging. Imagine a company where 80% of daily operations run on agents. Customer support, sales follow-ups, reporting, HR paperwork. Human set vision, AI executes the details. The startups now run lean 3 humans, 10 agents. Some founders, they hire agents before hiring staff. The way we work is being rewritten, not in 10 years, not even in 5 years, but right now. Autonomous agents built on OpenAI's foundation are joining teams, closing tickets, filing reports, delivering outputs, and they are doing it for near zero cost. If you know where to start, so here is your next step. Don't just watch this. Build one, test it, deploy it, because in the future, we won't measure headcount. We will measure throughput. And your next hire, it might not need a desk. It might just be digital.